Hi, my name is Pankaj Gode and I'm a CEO for Agri10X. Well, Agri10X started with a vision to support farmers. What essentially it does is that it helps farmer to sell his produce from a farm gate. So in which he actually saves the cost of taking material to mandi or giving that material to aggregator and so on, right? Which typically saves the cost for him. What we do is we go to him, we pick up the material from a farm gate, and when we go to him, he essentially doesn't have to come to us. He updates all the information on a mobile phone. And that's what we call it as an e-marketplace for the farmers.
याच्या अगोदर कांद्याचं आम्हाला मार्केट जवळ नव्हतं. कांद्या हे तुमचं ॲग्रोटेन झाल्यामुळे जवळचं मार्केट आहे. तर त्या ठिकाणी आम्हाला कांदा नेल्यानंतर दर मिळत होता. आणि ॲग्रोटेनचं असं झालं की याचा दर अगोदर मिळतात आम्हाला मार्केटिंग ऑनलाईन पद्धत कळायला लागली.
ॲग्री10X ही कंपनीने गावात मॉल चालू केलेला आहे. त्या मॉलमुळं आमचा असा फायदा झाला आहे की गावात आमच्या येऊन त्यांनी खरेदी केल्यामुळं त्याच्यामुळं आम्हाला 2 पैसे याच्यामुळं जादा मिळायला लागले आणि त्यांनी योग्य रेट केल्यानंतर काय अडचण नाही.
Hi everyone, my name is Sahil.
Monica Shukla.
I'm Amuli Agarwal.
Ansuman.
My name is Srinath.
Priyanka Nath. Thiruppi Podi.
Mahesh.
Hi, I'm Akshata.
I'm Ravi. I work as a director in Agri10X.
If I have to describe Agri10X as in one word, I'll just say royal.
Alibaba of agriculture.
Sandhi Manel.
Opportunities.
Dream team.
Amazing.
Experience.
So I'll call it a nebula because it creates stars.
Here I got a chance to make an application which is going to be very useful for our farmers.
शेतकऱ्यांनी तयार केलेल्या कष्टाने केलेला जो शेतमाल आहे त्याला योग्य हमीभाव देण्याचं काम Agri10X करतं.
Agri10X Marketplace is an interactive platform where n number of buyers and sellers can come together and do the trade in a most economical way.
The fact that we have to think out of the box, all our solutions are not really straightforward. We have to think of out of the box solutions, and at the same time we have to ensure that the users who are using them, they have a very easy time using them. It's not something super complicated because our users are farmers in the end, right? So they need to have an easy time using it.
So Agri10X provides a blockchain based technology. It's a marketplace. My job is to get farmers onboarded on this platform. They should get better rates.
The working environment is really great. We have great mentors who are guiding us on each and every step we stumble upon, and they are really supportive. Also, the team that I'm working with is really excellent.
People here you work around, and the team members, the kind of support you get to learn, to grow and to flourish within the organization is really commendable.
Well, actually, I don't feel as if I'm working out here. It's like passion. It's a passion-driven company, young, dynamic company. The culture is so positive that you enjoy working, you enjoy delivering goods across teams. It's a lovely environment. It's a young, dynamic team. Everyone is putting hearts out to learn, and they work 24/7. They push to limits.
If you really want to accelerate a career path, this is the right place for you.
If you have the drive to do something and grow professionally, if you have the capacity to push yourself beyond your own comfort zone, that is where I feel you should join Agri10X, because being here has really taught me to push my own limits.
Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep and I am the co-founder and Chief Technology Officer for Agri10X. We are a very young and dynamic organization, as our average employee age is just around 27 years, which help us to think uniquely, and we bring the solutions which are out of the box, and different methodologies we are using which allow us to set some benchmark in the field of agri-tech.
फार्मर ग्रोथ यही हम चाहते हैं, और अगर आपको भी ये लगता है कि फार्मर की ग्रोथ हो या फार्मर के लाइफ में कंट्रीब्यूशन कर सकते हैं,
Join Agri10X.
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 We are not stopping here. Come join us. Be part of AgTech revolution.